beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future, and turn that notification bell on. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Let's just get straight into today's video. As you can tell by the title and the picture, today we are reviewing the brand new Revolution and Bratz collection. I picked up, oh my god, look at the packaging in this lighting. Wow. So I picked up one of the palettes, one of the Maxi Plump lip glosses, and also one of the lip crayons as well. The collection for this is huge. So if there's anything else that you want me to try, like you're desperate for me to try, let me know. I literally couldn't afford to get all of it. So obviously there's 4 different characters for Bratz. Each one of them has their own palette, their own lip gloss, their own lip crayon. There's also a big palette as well, which is like £20. It's got loads of shimmers in it, so I didn't really kind of like gravitate towards it. I was more interested in the individual girl palettes. They also have brushes. They have like a little fluffy brush bag. There's an eyeliner, there's a mascara, there's like a lip kind of scrub and a lip mask set as well. There's absolutely loads, so I'll leave the link down below if you want to have a little look to see what else is in the collection. But I decided to pick up Yasmin's palette, which just looks like this, retails for £15. I also picked up her lip crayon, but I picked up a different gloss because this gloss, as soon as I saw it on the website, I was like, that is a Lucy gloss. So I also picked up the Cloe gloss. This is the Maxi Plump lip gloss. This video is also a collab with my lovely friend Lizzie. She picked up Sasha's palette and her lip gloss and her lip pencil, like the lip crayon. However, she also picked up all of the lip glosses. I'm pretty sure she picked up all of the lip crayons as well. So she's going to be doing a full kind of lip swatch video on her channel sometime soon as well. But tonight we're both putting up our reviews. I know literally in the last half an hour, Alex's review has gone up using the Cloe palette, and my friend Claire did a review yesterday on the big palette, so I'll leave everyone's videos linked down below. If you've done a Revolution video testing this new Bratz collection, message me on Instagram and I'll put your link in my description as well so we can start sharing the love to each other. The packaging just literally matches me to a T. Like I actually want her hair with my little blonde stripes that I've got at the front. And I love that it's all purple as well. And then on the inside we have a mirror, and then this is what it looks like. So we have like the little plastic thing which is actually personalised with like the little pictures on it as well. And then obviously this is what the palette actually looks like. It is beautiful. Like the individual palettes just look so much better than the massive palette. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to try, I'm hoping we can try like maybe like this one as a highlighter today as well. So you also obviously have the Cloe lip gloss. This retails for £8 and it is absolutely huge. The colour of this is beautiful as well. So this is just what she looks like. Very, very kind of nice nude. I don't even know if that's coming up nice on the camera. Oh no, that's a little bit better actually there. And then we have the lip cream, which actually was £6. I would have assumed, to be fair, that the lip pumper would have been 6 and this would have been 8. But this is what Yasmin's lip crayon looks like, and then swatched, it just looks like this. So this is the palette swatched. So up at the top we've got Frog, Feel It, Change the World. This one here you can't see that much on the swatch, but this one's Poet. Then we have School Paper, Mystery, Guac, which isn't actually patchy. It's because I wiped the swatch off and then redid it. It's actually a nice green. Then we have Aussie, Glammed Up, Pretty Princess, Beauty Mark, I Rule, Coffee Date, and then last one is Zen. These shimmers in this palette, absolutely beautiful. Like, I don't even think the camera is picking them up and doing them any justice at all. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And then this is the last 4 of the palettes, them big oval ones. So the top one we have this kind of matte one here, which is actually a pressed pigment. This is Composition. Then we have Inner Peace, Crown, and Flaunt It. The pigmentation and the formula of these are just next level, to the point I actually looked in the box to see if they were like a foil and not a normal eyeshadow, but just normal eyeshadow. Just right. Let's get these on my eyeballs. With it being a Revolution video today, I'm actually going to use their eye base, which is so different from me. I always use a P. Louise base. I do have a full face testing Revolution coming up that I pre-filmed before I got my filler done in my top lip. So that'll be coming very, very soon, and that's when I try it for the first time. So I will leave all my opinions for that video. So as always, just like what I do with the P. Louise base, just going to tap it all into place with my Peaches and Cream PC18 brush. Just any fluffy brush to kind of tap it all in. So I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and I'm going to start off with the shade Beauty Mark, which is this brown colour here. And I'm going to start by packing this in the outer corner and also on the inner corner as well, because I want to do like a spotlight kind of eye. I'm just going to put that a little bit higher in that crease as well and kind of blow it out a little bit more. And I'm just kind of blending that into the crease as well. So I'm just taking this Coffee Date shade with a Morphe E22 brush, and you can see what I've done in this eye as I'm put like in the inner corner and then to kind of blend out the outer bit as well. So I'm just building it up on this side. Just add a little bit more grunge to it just to kind of blend out them edges as well. It's like a pukey colour, but it's beautiful. Like, it's so nice. And then I'm going to take an even bigger, fluffier brush. This is the Morphe E23. And just to blend out the edges, just so we can use this colour, I'm going to go in with this huge matte pressed pigment one. This is in Composition. Yeah, Composition. And I'm literally just going to be just all over the shop with this. Just to kind of blend out the edges. It'll just kind of blend everything fully together and look a bit more seamless. And then I'm going to go back in with that original brush that we used and the Beauty Mark colour, which was that brown. And I'm just going to lift my eye up just to help with my creases. And I'm just going to re-intensify that, because obviously naturally we're going to lose that colour from blending the lighter colours over the top of it to like seamlessly blend together. I'm going to take a Morphe M507, which looks like this, and I want to add a little bit of the matte shade Eye Rule into the look, which is a bit more of like a burgundy maroony kind of colour. And I'm going to use the same kind of technique that I used for the brown, where I'm kind of using the side of the brush to tap that colour on instead. And I'm going to focus this where the brown ends in this middle. So for the colour on the centre of the eye, oh my god, it's so hard to pick because there are so many nice shimmers in this palette, but I really want to try this one, which was that inner piece, the larger one here, because this just swatched amazing. It's like a really soft formula. So let's see what it actually looks like on the eye. I'm just going to use a little Roxy pencil brush. Oh my god, for this. I'm just going to start off quite small on the eye, and then we'll build it outwards into that kind of burgundy maroon shade that we used. I'm actually going to use a brush to see what it's like before I start doing the other side properly. Oh my god, a brush, sorry, in my finger. But even with my finger, like, it's just spectacular. I actually cannot believe how gorgeous that colour is. I'm going to go back in with them two brushes that we used to apply the kind of burgundy and the brown. I'm going to add back the Eye Rule colour, because obviously I've actually done the spotlight a lot wider. I don't even know what I was expecting, but I've done it quite wide, which I really like. So I'm just adding that back in. Then I'm going to go back in with the brown. And then just adding the brown back in. So this is how the eye look is looking so far. Wasn't what I expected this video to go like. Not gonna lie, I'm excited. Right, so I'm gonna finish off the rest of my base. I'm actually gonna try this for the first time before I do a Foundation Friday tomorrow on it. This is the new Revolution Body, the like face and body foundation. It looks very similar to the MAC one. I'm going to say. So I'm going to try this and put the rest of my face on, and then we'll come back and we'll try the little lip combination. So I put the rest of my makeup on. That foundation was like thicker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like super runny, but I actually really like it. And if you're wondering what highlighter I've got on, because this is literally blinding, it is actually the little colour that we've got on this Spotlight Eye from the palette, that inner piece shade. I've used that as my highlighter, and 10 out of 10, that's all I'm going to say. So let's try the lip products now. So the first thing I have is the Yasmin kind of lip crayon, which just looks like this. So what I'm going to do to begin with is I'm going to put this all over the lip. Ooh, really pigmented. So it's got like obviously a pinky purpley tinge to it, which to be honest with you, it wouldn't be a colour that I naturally would buy because I always just gravitate towards nude colours. So I'm quite glad that I pushed myself. Well, pushed myself, but I'm glad that I went for the one that matched the eyeshadow. So this is what the lip crayon looks like by itself. If you're wondering about my top lip, I have had some filler done in it, but it's still swollen, so it looks a bit funky. That's why I'm still like a bit swollen from it. But we're going to go in with the lip gloss in the middle to kind of lighten it up. So this one is the Cloe lip gloss because this just looked absolutely beautiful. And it's a lip plumping one as well, which I think that's why it's like £8. Oh, it smells so nice. It's got like a minty smell to it, which obviously will be the plumping side of it. So that is what it looks like with the lip plumper on top. I can feel like it's slightly tingling my lips, but I did put this on earlier just to see what it was like by itself. And it's not one of them kind of like lip plumping ones where it's like really, really, really intense and it hurts your lips and it's like really, really tingly and stingy. You can feel like it's doing a little something, but it's not like unbearable. And I'm a big baby when it comes to stuff like that. So yeah, this probably wouldn't be a combination that I'd put necessarily together. But I do think it looks really, really nice. Anyways, probably wouldn't be what I'd pair with this eye look either, but I just wanted obviously to test it all out together in today's video. So yeah, I think this lip gloss will probably be one of my new faves because it is that perfectly nude kind of colour that I love. I want to get the other ones. I know for a fact I'm going to want to get the other ones as well. So I'm going to wait to see Lizzie's video to see what it's like with the other ones because some of the other crayons look a lot more nude, which is more my thing. So I'm really, really excited to see Lizzie's like lip swatch video. I think that'll probably make me spend some more money, no doubt. So I would absolutely love to know what you think of this full collection. Like, have you picked anything up? What did you pick up? I really want to see what the other girls think of their palettes because obviously they got different ones to me. So I'm really excited to watch Alex's video and to watch Lizzie's video as well. Please let me know if you've done any videos on the Bratz collection so I can leave them linked down below and so I can check them out as well. Thank you so much for watching. It feels so nice to be back. I do have 2 videos that I pre-filmed before I got some filler in my top lip as well. So I'll put them up as soon as possible. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look. And I hope you enjoyed my review. I love you so much. And I'll see you probably tomorrow for a brand new video. Love you. Bye.